Children, very good morning. Welcome to English class. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we done? Yes, we wrote what we wrote? Yes. Fill in the blanks with the vowels. Is it? Yes. So vowels, fill in the blanks with the vowels. We wrote it in English notebook. Is it? Yes. Fill in the blanks with the vowels. So vowels we filled in blank and we complete the words. Is it? Yes. So in the today's class also we'll write fill in the blanks with the vowels. Okay. So why I am giving this? Repeat. To practice. Okay. Yes. So write CW classwork and write FILL. Fill. Spell the spelling and write in THE the blank BLANKS blanks WITH with THE the vowels VOWELS. Fill in the blanks with the vowels. So with the vowels we have to fill it blanks. Okay. So write it. Here put box first. Okay. So inside the box I will write the vowels. So how many vowels? How many vowels are there in English? In alphabet? Very good. 5. So which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So these are what? 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So these are what? 5 vowels. Okay. So now here we'll write the words. Missing the words we'll write. Write M. First letter should be capital. M dash G. Next write. Spell the spelling and write, children. Neatly write. P dash N. Next K dash D. Next fourth one H dash T. Next B dash G. Next B dash S. Next B dash D. Next P dash T. Okay, next write T dash P. Next P dash N. Next M dash P. Next, C dash N. Next, F dash N. Next, N I dash N dash B. Next, R dash N. Next, M dash N. Okay. So like this, neatly write it. Okay. M dash G, P dash N, K dash D, H dash T, B dash G, B dash S, B dash D, P dash T, T dash P, P dash N, M dash P, C dash N, F dash N, N dash B, R dash N, M dash N. Okay, so here in the between, in the middle, what we had to write? We had to write these vowels. Okay, so which vowel is the correct? No, so that vowel we had to write here. Okay, so we had to complete the word this. Understood? Okay. So first one, M dash G. So what will come? M-A-G mag, M-E-G meg, M-I-G mag, M-O-G mog, M-U-G mug. So which is the correct answer? M-U-G mug. M-U. So here we have to write a U letter. So write it. U, M, U, G. Mug. Yes, spell the spelling and write. Okay, next, P dash N. Which letter will come here? Vowel. P-A-N, pan. P-E-N, pen. P-I-N, pin. P-O-N, poon. P-U-N, pan. So which is the correct answer? So any three you can write. P-A-N, pan. P-E-N, pen. P-I-N, pin. So any three, in these three vowels you can write any one. Okay. So I will write here A. P-A-N, pan. P-A-N, pan. Okay, next, K dash D. K dash D. K-A-D, cat. K-E-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. K-O-D, cot. K-U-D, cut. So which is the correct answer? Which vowel will come? I. K-I-D, kid. K-I-D, kid. Okay, next, H dash T. H dash T. H-A-T, hat. H-E-T, heat. H-I-T, height. H-O-T, hot. H-U-T, hut. So any you can write it. H-A-T, hat. H-E-T, heat. H-U-T, hut. So any in the three in the vowels, any one you can write it. So I will write here A. H-A-T, hat. Okay. H-A-T, hat. I will write it here. Okay, next, B dash G. B dash G. B-A-G, bag. B-E-G, big. B-I-G, big, B-O-G, bog, B-U-G, bug. So here 2-3 words are completed. Okay. See, B-A-G, bag, B-E-G, big, B-I-G, big, B-U-G, bog, B-U-G, bug. So I will use here A or I, you can use it here. Okay, vowel A or I. So I will use here I vowel. Okay, B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. Okay, next B-S. So here which vowel will come? So we'll match it all the vowels. B-A-S, bass, B-E-S, bees, B-I-S, bis, B-O-U, B-O-S, boss, B-U-S, buzz. So which is the correct vowel? U, B-U-S, buzz, B-U-S, buzz. So U letter. Okay. So write it U. B-U-S, buzz. Okay, next B-D. B-D. B-A-D, bat. B-E-D, beat. B-I-D, bid. B-O-D, boat. B-U-D, bird. So which is the correct? B-E-D. B-E-D, bed. So write it here E letter. B-E-D, bed. Okay, next P-T. P-T. P-A-T, pat. P-E-T, pet. P-I-T, pit. P-O-T, pot. P-U-T, pot. So here can write two, P-E-T, pet or P-O-T, pot. So any two, in the two vowels, any one you can use it here. So I will use here the vowel O. So O vowel I will use here. P-O-T, pot. Okay, next T-P. T-P. T-A-P, tap. T-E-P, tape. T-I-P, tip. T-O-P, top. T-U-P, top. So here you can use T-A-P, tap or T-O-P, top. Okay. So I will here use A letter, A vowel. T-A-P, tap. T-A-P, tap. Okay, next read P-N. P-N. P-A-N, pan. P-E-N, pain. P-I-N, pain. P-O-N, pon. P-U-N, pun. So which is we'll use here? Already we used A. Is it? Yes. So we'll use I. P-I-N, pin. Okay. P-I-N, pin. So I vowel will use. P-I-N, pin. Okay. Next M-P. M-P. M-A-P, map. M-E-P, me. M-I-P, me. M-O-P, mop. M-U-P, mop. So you can use here two vowels. Okay. Any one. In that two vowels you can use any one. A or O. A or O. M-A-P, map. Otherwise M-O-P, mop. So I will use here O. M-O-P, O I will use here. Okay. M-O-P, mop. Okay, next C-N. C-A-N, can. C-E-N, see. C-I-N, sin. C-O-N, con. C-U-N, son. So which is the correct? A is the vowel is correct here. Is it? Yes, so write it here. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. Okay, next F-N. F-N. So here two vowels will come. Okay, see which are the two vowels. F-A-N, fan. So this is one. F-E-N, fin. F-I-N, fin. F-O-N, phone. F-U-N, fun. So A and U is a will complete word. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. F-U-N, fun. Okay, so these are the vowels, A or U. So you can use any one. So I will use here A. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Okay, next N-B. N-B. N-A-B, nab. N-E-B, nib. N-I-B, nib. N-O-B, knob. N-U-B, nub. So which is the correct? N-A-B, nab. Otherwise N-I-B, nib. So I will use the vowel I. N-I-B, nib. Okay, next R-N. R-A-N, run. R-E-N, reen. R-I-N, reen. R-O-N, run. R-U-N, run. So which is the correct? U. Okay, so write here U. R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. So U vowel you have to write it here. Okay. Yes, next last one. M-N. M-A-N, man. M-E-N, man. M-I-N, mean. M-O-N, more. M-U-N, mon. So you can use here two. Okay. M-A-N, man, or M-E-N, man. So I will use it here E letter. Okay. You can use any one in these two, A or E. Okay. I will use here E vowel. M-E-N, man. Okay. So like this you have to complete it. From help of this box, you have to take the vowels, correct vowels. You have to take it and you have to match it. You have to complete the words. Okay. Okay. Now read. Mug, pan, kid, hat, big, bus, bed, pot, top, pin, mop, can, fan, nib, run, man. Yes, so like this you have to read it with the spelling. Okay. Okay, homework is what? So you have to copy in the classwork. So classwork you have to copy in homework page with the spelling. You have to read it and you have to learn it. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.